The next multiplication technique which we have is multiplication of a number by the number which contains all the digits as 9. I will explain you this multiplication technique with an example question, that is, we have to multiply 826 by 99. That is, we can write 99 as 100 minus 1. Is it right? Yes. Now I'm writing 826 into 100 minus 1. So the answer will 82600 minus 826. The answer will be for this is 81774. Now in the same way let's consider another example, that is, we have to multiply 26 by 999. What I can write? First thing, 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1. So now 26 into 1000 minus 1. So 26,000 minus 26. What will be the answer for these? Which is 25974.